This is a 2014 Chevy Camaro, the SS package with the 6.2 V8. We're going to do a custom axle back, dual exhaust system, remove the factory mufflers on there and the factory tips, and put some nice 4-inch tips on there. But we're going to pretty much leave it all stock up front, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so as you see, we've installed some nice 4-inch tips. Got it all tucked in there nice and clean, as always. Installed some single chamber V2 mufflers along with some J-pipes that'll help keep the drone down. But we did leave all the factory catalytic converters. It's all stock, factory H-pipe. Just gonna give it a good rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. Got that old school rumble, not all that straight pipe cackle. Sounds pretty healthy to me. Hard to beat that heartthrob sound.